Nice. With the rice, huh? Really nice. Good, nice. Making it nice. Making the Japanese omelet, oh, amazing, amazing. Amazing, man. With the sauce on top. Nice. I think the sound is really appropriate. Like, that doesn't make the food taste better. I don't think that makes any sense either, but it feels like, what? Making that sound, man? I don't know if that sound helps that food taste better. I don't know. I think he's confused with the nightclub and stuff like that, but he comes with flashy moves and stuff like that, so really nice, man. It's a really nice Japanese omelet, man, with rice.